dance. Bass shakes the dance floor, make you dance some more. Bass shakes the dance floor, makes you dance some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and dance. Dance. Dance.
We've heard that a lot of producers from India in the past have maybe approached you for a role, but they couldn't really afford you because you're like the most unaffordable actor in Asia. Would you mind giving us a discount and maybe work in an Indian film sometime soon?
Definitely, absolutely. Yes, all those years, when I look, especially 10 years ago when I in India for 10 years, for 10 years ago I was in India filming for almost a month. When I turn on TV, I see the dancing and I love the music. And after through the MTV, I see all the dancing and singing things going on. And lately, I see the movie with the Three Idiots. I love the music and the song. And actually, when I'm making a film called The Myth, I already tell, can I have an Indian version? And like for dancing with Malika. And I believe only for Indian market, but I think I'm very, very interesting for making a Hollywood Bollywood film. Yes, there's a producer, director approached me, but it doesn't write the script because I do like cooperation, but it's the product and the script is very important. We have to find a good script, and I think we make two versions, one version for the world, one version for India. I'm pretty good, and actually I'm pretty good singer. I can sing, I can dance. I definitely want to do it. Thank you.
I may request you all to kindly put your hands up in the air, and with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the Chinese Film Festival 2013.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are only 4 in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome, with a round of applause, Mr. Manish Tiwari, Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. आप सभी से गुजारिश है कृपया अपने अपनी सीट्स ग्रहण कर लें so that we can begin off. Ladies and gentlemen, may I take this opportunity to introduce Mr. Tai Fu-chau, Honorable Minister of State Administration of Press, Publication, Radio, Film and Television Address Gathering.
尊敬的普瓦尔部长、多哈尔主席、韦维大使、成龙先生、女士们、先生们，大家好。印度有着众多的人口、广袤的土地、悠久的历史、丰富的文化。
It gives me immense pleasure to be present this evening as a part of the inaugural ceremony of the Chinese Film Festival in the presence of very distinguished members of the visiting delegation from China. I am confident that this interaction with all of you would prove to be fruitful, and the two countries would look forward to an agreement on co-production in films, as also cooperation in the fields of radio and television.
And may I request you to kindly come forward and felicitate our Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Tai Fu-chau, by presenting a token of appreciation from all of us. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir.
sit down, sit down, sit down. Namaste. 大家好. Good evening. 10 years ago, I make a movie called The Myth. Remember? You still remember the song? No. Da da di da 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 da. 异域口中国，一瓦定城家。都说国很大，其实一个家。一心装满国，一手撑起家。家是最小国，国是千万家。在世界的国，在天地的家。有了想的国，才有福的家。Thank you, thank you. I hope everybody love your own country. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you for all those support. Mwah, 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 mwah.
What are your thoughts about this evening?
It's a fantastic evening. Actually, this is a very, very important initiative in the history of India and for IC, India-China Economic Council especially. And I think this will take India-China relationship a long way. So this is just a beginning.
I am sure it would. And what are your thoughts about meeting Jackie Chan tonight?
Yeah, actually it was an amazing experience to meet him. I never thought that such a big star will be such a humble person. And he is a very nice and humble person and all. He's still down to earth and all. It was indeed a pleasure meeting him.
So, Alka, what are your thoughts about this evening?
Yeah, I was really excited, like many are here, but I have no words. It was like dreams comes true for me also, because since like my childhood, I'm also a very great fan of Jackie Chan's movies, special action movies. And as you know, whatever is happening in India and Delhi, the women's safety and all that. So nowadays, Jackie Chan is become, the icon for the school girls and the college girls. They are start like learning the martial art, putting up a poster of Jackie Chan in front of them. So that's really inspiring for every age group, either it's 60 years, 50 years, or like people like me. And in the school, children are also a great fan, and he's the ideal for all of us.
So we have Mr. Chetan Bhagat here with us on stage, and he wants to say a few words. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. Thank you.
It was not part of the plan, but I'm saying it because I feel it from the heart for Mr. Chan here. Yesterday when I was telling my kids I'm going to meet Jackie Chan, and I live in Mumbai, I came here, and he's like, "Dad, can you stop joking?" Then I really convinced them. I showed them the invite, and then they believed me. And I must tell you, even today when he came, a lot of people were saying behind, he's so humble, he's so nice. And we are touched. I mean, there is no doubt that your movies are amazing, and I'm sure you've heard that. But the maximum I could achieve was walk in the same lane where Jackie Chan lived. You are not just an actor today, you are one of the few citizens of humanity, which is known all over. One word you say, one thing you say, it can have a huge impact in improving relationships between countries, which 1,000 bureaucrats may not be able to do.
So, can we please have a few words from Mr. Jackie Chan himself?
Me?
Yes.
Really, really surprised. 好惊讶. I don't expect like this kind of award and honor. And ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, so happy to be here and honored to be here. When I was young, I just wanted to be a stuntman. After stuntman, my dream is to be becoming a stunt coordinator. I was the youngest stunt coordinator in Asia. Through stunt coordinator, becoming an actor, a cheap actor. and through the actor becoming a director, writer, and beginning when I'm making a movie, I want money to feed myself, feed my family. After that, I want fame. I want the whole world know me. How I can make a movie that everybody know me. Then I study action movie. And slowly, I becoming a action master. Through the movie, I can show my technique, my talent. From my movie, I really hope this world right now, peace and love is very important to every country, every people. I hope everybody remember, speak out my message. Thank you for coming tonight. Love you all. Thank you, India. Thank you.
Do you know anyone that you want to work with, and any particular icon or any particular star that you have?
I'm really sorry I cannot come up the name, only Malika. Malika.
So
Oh.
whatever I say, the answer is Malika, and Malika. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure some of you must be knowing, but just to again share with you all, Jackie Chan is not only what I have just said, but he is also a fabulous singer. He has sung for many movies of his, and tonight he is here with us, so let's make him sing a bit, a couple of lines. What do you think about that?
Me?
Yes, of course, you sir.
不经历风雨，怎么见彩虹？没有人能随随便便成功。把握生命中的每一分。
One little stunt, maybe one action.
The
you can
stunt
do for us.
everybody recognize when I put the pose. Everybody knows a drunken style. Like
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is Jackie Chan, a truly magical personality. Thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you.
honoring us by your presence. Thank you very much for being a part of such an important initiative between India and China. It's a great pleasure to have you here with us in this evening.
I do have money. I do have a.
You do have the effects.
But the audience, they don't like it. They just no. We don't like to see Jackie Chan doing. We like Jackie Chan do the real things.
But you've almost died doing some of these stunts. Armor of God.
Yeah.
From the castle down, you almost died. You have walked over hot coals. You have eaten hot peppers.
Yes.
And spit out that chili on your knuckles to
Yes.
win a fist fight. What's the craziest thing you've ever done?
The crazy things. I don't know. I think jump off the chandelier from the
chandelier, yeah?
The chandelier from 75 feet.
Let me ask you in the end that, you know, there was Bruce Lee and now there's Jackie Chan. But you actually worked with Bruce Lee, the legend, and then you initially tried to do the same sort of movies that he did, and then you realized that no, you have to create your own genre, which was really marrying martial arts with laughter, with humor, with comedy. But what did Bruce Lee mean to you?
I just want to follow his step, but I don't want to be a second Bruce Lee.
Yeah.
I want to be myself.
Yourself, yeah.
Yeah, there are only one Bruce Lee, there's only one Jackie Chan.
And are we going to see this only one Jackie Chan in Hindi cinema soon, in the film industry here? When are we going to see you either doing a Bollywood film or being in one?
Only the version for India. I'm singing with Malika and dancing, this kind of thing. Oh yes, yes, yes. But after that, nobody follow up. Then stop. I believe for the future, Indian is is not the second, at least the third biggest market in the world. Yes.
Well, I'm sure there'll be many takers. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
so much.
Thank you.
一语口中过，一瓦定成家。都说国很大，其实一个家。一心装满国，一手撑起家。家是最小国，国是千万家。在世界的国，在天地的家，有了香的国，才有福。 国，一手撑起家，家是最小国，国是千万家。在世界的国，在天地的家，有了强的国，才有富的家。我的家住在心里，家的国以何处立？国是荣誉的意义，家是幸福的洋溢。我的每一寸土地，家的每一个足迹，国与家连在一起，创造地球的